Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the lock camera to view setting for faster, more intuitive camera placement in Blender. One of the most important parts of making an exciting rendering is choosing the right camera angle, but this can seem quite unintuitive in Blender at first. We could switch to camera view, select our camera, and then move it around, but this is quite slow and clunky. Moving the camera in perspective view is faster, but doesn't give us a real-time preview of our camera. Instead, let's switch to camera view, open the sidebar by pressing N, and under View Lock, switch on Lock Camera to View. Now we can quickly and easily navigate around our scene as we would in perspective view, and Blender will automatically adjust the camera location and rotation to match the current view, enabling you to fine-tune your camera position for that perfect shot. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.